currently enrolled in the legal skills program. So being on the other side of it, it has been extremely helpful in, you know, you don't really think about, oh, I really need to make a study schedule so detailed to, you know, a certain point where I maybe would have just written out just a vague list of like Monday, okay, I'll probably like do contracts. Whereas you're really giving yourself time to understand what's required of you and how to allocate your time, and going off of like the more like substantive stuff, like how to write an IRAC. I think that whole section was very helpful because outside of a class perspective, I was able to just kind of have a more relaxed mindset when I was doing the assignment, knowing that, okay, this is like for practice. So I'm only improving from this point. And it's not for a grade. It's not, you know, something that I'm turning in for an anonymous peer review and I have to worry about, oh my gosh, I think I did horrible on this. And I, you know, even though it's anonymous, it's embarrassing, you know, maybe personally to have somebody else read something that you know isn't your best. So I definitely think that those skills are really helpful. And that's something that I'm really happy that Duquesne does. And, you know, having that contact with your mentor to be able to email them or text them and say, hey, like, can you come and meet with me and talk about this topic for this class? Or I'm really struggling with like how to outline, how did you go about this? What were your sort of strategies? I think has been really helpful.